What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And guys, it's gonna be 67 degrees today. The Fox is out. We're going out to the shop because there's a lot of work to get done. So come on, let's go. We'll roll the window down. We'll just have a moment, little coyote fox body moment, because it's a beautiful thing. Joe, we are at the shop. I see Philip's car on the trailer. This should be interesting. I think they went to the track last night. Pretty good possibility Philip broke something, but we'll know in a minute. All right, y'all, so we have arrived and just talked to Dover, and yes, as you can see, Philip, I don't know if you remember Philip. Philip's been on the channel a lot. Dover got a call about 10 last night. Broken axle. There you go, Philip. Congratulations. You, sir, have broken your car. I wonder which one it is, if you can even see it. You can't even see it. Oh, well. All I can say is straight axle life all day long. All right, let's see what's up. Whoa. Big Blue coming out. Yeah. We kind of need the room, right? Sheesh. So, look at the cream dream here. Dover, what year is this wagon? 83. It's like his little brother or something.
Yeah.
Very nice. 6-owner car?
Yeah, straight 6. Now.
Man. Uh-oh, so what's that mean? Mr. Hanky reincarnated here? It's in pretty good shape. It's like never been messed with. That's pretty freaking awesome. It's even got all the original Ford hubcaps. And change of clothes if you need it.
Sure, yeah.
Does it run, drive?
I have no idea.
We just got a clean body. It was bought in Jackson. That's crazy. Look at that. So let's see what's popping off in the shop. Corey's car got dropped off at some point. Not sure why, but the keys are in it. I'm pretty sure. We need to hear. Oh, you hear that pump? Arrgh. Oh yeah. Yo. That carbureted Windsor life, y'all. Corey's been hard at work. We don't need no sticking door panels. We just want to hear that Windsor. Yeah, buddy. Corey's actually working on getting all the interior done. Not sure why we got it back out here, but sounds good, smells good. Race gas. Wow. So we got the tank buried.
Fill line.
Guys, you're probably wondering why we're standing here looking at this dirt. This is actually making the restroom inside the shop operational, which is definitely a good thing.
Yes.
Definitely a good thing. Have the little tractor out here getting everything running. Coming along. This is going to be a really good thing, especially when it's raining or super cold. All right, so y'all, Dover kind of did a thing for Lee here. Oh my. Okay, well I gotta have one now. That is freaking beautiful. Wow, how much was that thing? I figured it was probably $300-400 at least.
Your local bird dealers off.
Wow. Yeah, I need one of those.
Mike, get a hold of Mike.
Yeah. Mike Javanis, hit him up. So, and you're getting the rear end powder coated too. This car is gonna be, it's gonna be the nicest one we've built to date, because we haven't done Jeremy's car either, but they're gonna be pretty similar. And then also, what in the world is that? There's an engine in there. Everything's all clean, dropped in, looking good. We're trying to drive this thing here shortly, right?
Shouldn't be too much longer.
Yeah, we still got a little ways to go. But Wild Strawberry car is officially farther. Not done,
Baby
farther.
steps, huh? Baby
Yeah,
steps.
lots of baby steps. Alrighty, guys, so beautiful day in the neighborhood. We got a whole lot of projects. Guys, I cannot get over how this thing looks. Sorry for the wind noise. I cannot get over it. You guys just wait until you see this car done. It's gonna be awesome. Again, 351 Windsor. Gonna be a beast. But I was just talking with Dover a little bit. We do have out here a little 306 and a used 306 and a VORTECH Supercharger that could actually go really well in this car. I know you think all we do is coyotes, but no, we do other stuff. So drop me a comment below if you think, number one, if I named it right, the Cream Dream, and number two, if you think we should do a little hold on, don't hit his car. If we should do a little, okay, well, maybe it's already popped, hard to tell. If we should do a little 306 and a VORTECH in what could be Mr. Hankey's little brother. Let's see what we got in here. Oh yeah. Man, this thing is original. This is crazy. Little inline 6. Never touched. And yes, if you're new to the Foxbody game, this is a Foxbody, y'all. Man, that is wild. So, there you go. If you guys think that we should put a little VORTECH 306, T5, whatever, 8.8 up under this little wagon, drop me a comment below, let me know. I think that'd be a lot of fun. And without having so much in the car, probably be able to keep it, because we miss Mr. Hankey bad. In case anybody was wondering, it's a little loud. It does have open headers. This is an absolute terror. Holy God. Now we can't go fast. We All right, guys, that is what is going on. All kinds of projects, all kinds of different cars coming in for whatever reason. It is literally like Mustang heaven out here. Loving it. And Philip won't keep it charged, so we're gonna have to do something with Philip. So there you go, guys. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. The video is effectively over. Now go build your beast. Later.